How to report a spam mail on AOL Mail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can report a spam mail on AOL Mail. Now the process is quite simple and easy. Simply open up your AOL Mail here and you should get an interface like this. Head into your inbox by tapping on the inbox option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now here you can see I have an ad and a random here. There is a particular email. Now I'll just open it up just for demonstration. What you want to do is you can see various options. At the bottom right corner of your screen you can see more options. Tap on it and here you can see reply, forward, mark as unread, star and spam option. Simply click the spam button here in the inbox action bar to consign the email. Now this will move the email to your spam folder and it will automatically report the spam as well, the email as well. So you don't have to report it. You want to get the option to report it. You want to simply set it to spam. You can simply tap on spam and it'll be moved to spam and it will be reported automatically as well. So this way you can report a spam mail on AOL Mail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.